Okay, so we've tested our tenor saxophones in the last video to see which one's better, the more expensive one or the cheaper one. But what about soprano saxes? Okay, so I was a little surprised by this one, to be honest, because I hadn't played my other soprano saxophone in 4 years. To hear it sound almost as good or the same as my new soprano sax, that was really surprising. I used the same mouthpiece and the same reed on both saxophones. Your mouthpiece actually does a lot more for your sound than your saxophone can. So these two saxophones are a little closer in price than they would be if the other sax was, like the cheapest sax on Amazon, but a $1,000 sax versus a $1,700 sax, there are still some differences. So the biggest difference between these two saxophones is the quality of materials that are used, the price of the materials that are used. This saxophone is black nickel, so it feels smoother to push the air through. The other one is lacquered brass, so it's not quite as smooth, but they both sound good, they both feel different. So I think the biggest takeaway from this video is that both saxophones work. It's up to you which one you want to choose. The more money you put in, the better materials usually that the saxophone's made from, so it's more likely that it'll last, especially with heavy use. If you go with a cheaper saxophone, it's still going to sound great, you can still get the job done, so keep that in mind as well. So there's more to consider than just the price when you're buying a new soprano sax, so I made a video for you about the top 5 things that you should consider when you're buying a new soprano sax. You can get that by pressing the button right there. Thanks, I'll see you next time.